Hello everyone, this is Steve from MSEDP, and today I wanted to talk to you about how to set up your website for search engine optimization. If you're using a WebDugout website, we give you the tools built into the website that'll really help you get your site found on Google and Yahoo and Bing. There's just a few things that you need to set up that could really improve your ranking very drastically and quickly within a month, 2 or 3. What we're looking at here is the WebDugout website, and I'm just going to do a quick search. I typed it in already, tech support Long Island. If I do a search in Google for tech support Long Island, the first company that comes up here is MSEDP Support, which is our company. If you don't know, half of our company does websites, and the other half, we've been doing it since 1978, is a technical support company. We help clients with their networks and virus protection and computer repair and just general consulting services. Anyway, that part of our company, if someone were to do a search for tech support on Long Island, we would come up first in the free listings. And why does that happen? Well, the first thing you need to do is set up your page title correctly. And Google uses that page title as the heading on your listing inside the Google search engine. So all these listings right here, if you can follow my mouse, these are all page titles. If I were to click this particular page, the page title appears up here, the top of the page. Basically, that's Google way of knowing what this particular page is about. And of course, they look at other things on the page, like the content, to make sure that it's about that. But that's really the first step. I'm going to do another search, another client that we just are helping with some SEO stuff. And if I type in custom-made suit, Staten Island, this particular client is in Staten Island, and I do a quick search. And by the way, see, these people are paying to have their listing come up on this page. But basically, within a few months, this new client, bespoken.com, was able to get their site #1 in Google for Staten Island. Part of their attempt is to get this when someone types in custom-made suits New York, but we've only been able to get them to the second page so far. But it's only 3 months into the project, and by continuing adding content and updating your site, I'm sure that within time we'll be able to do that for the client. Let me click this site. And again, up here is where you'll see the page title. And again, if you have a WebDugout site, you understand that behind every page, you can go and do an edit. Behind every website, I should say. My username and password is saved for this account. I'm going to log into this particular account and show you where the title and page name is held on our system. Well, let's say we want to, actually we'll go down here to the custom-made shirt page. Okay, this is a page called custom-made shirts, and the page title goes right here, and you have access to this in your V5 WebDugout editing system. Google will let you put in 10 to 12 words. The words in the front are more important than the words in the back. You're basically telling Google what this page is about. And over here, the new URL, that's your page name. That comes after your domain name. So this particular page would be bespoken.com/custom-made shirts New York. And it's very, very important. All we've done on this page is we've created a page title with custom-made shirts New York in it, and we've named the page that. And then on the page itself, very important, the heading of the page should probably match that search term. And then really all you need to do, if you're writing content, and we can help you with this, but if you're writing some content, you'll see there's not a lot on this particular page. But within this content, we're using the word custom-made shirt New York maybe 1 or 2 other times. And that's all we've really done for this particular site. And if I were to do a search for custom-made shirts New York in Google, and I gave it a click, let's see where we can find this account. And It is not on the first page yet. Again, this is a process. Doesn't happen overnight. But he is found on the second page. So again, this is a relatively new website, and if you go on and add maybe some additional content to your website, and you're letting the search engines know this is a living, breathing website, chances are it'll increase in the rankings. There are other things we can do, but this is the very simple part. Again, custom-made shirts in New York. New York is a big place. It's not an easy keyword to get, but clients already on the second page. So please, those are very important things to do. You should be doing it on every page. And keep in mind, if you're using one of our websites, the support is free. Give us a call. Give me a call. We'll help you out with it. We'll show you what you should do. Maybe if you've made some mistakes, we're happy to review it. We want your website to be successful, and we want you to continue using WebDugout and our websites for a long time.